my chem final today, I'm gonna show you how to make slime. Facts about the ingredients that are in slime. So, your ingredients you'll need are obviously glue,
2 bowls,
2 or however many you like to make, 1 tablespoon, a measuring cup of water, and borax. Those are the ingredients you will need. So now we're gonna tell you some facts about
slime.
The ingredients in slime. Starting off with glue. Glue has 2 ingredients that we know of, which is water and PVA, which is polyvinyl acetate. Polyvinyl acetate is also a polymer, which means only a few strands of vinyl acetate come together and make PVA. The other ingredient is water, as we told you, which allows the glue to flow and not stick together. So it flows, but then when it hardens, that's when the water evaporates, and that's why glue dries. So they're not, when the water evaporates, they're not allowed to flow through, and that's why it gets stuck, and the strands just get stuck together, and therefore it dries. Another thing is we don't know any other ingredients that are in glue. The only 2 we know about are the 2 we've talked about, which is water and PVA. And also there are no ingredients on the back of this glue bottle.
It just says water and PVA. So
our next ingredients that we will talk about is
borax.
Borax is a salt, also known as sodium tetraborate. Borax attaches to the oxygens and make the strands come together. You can find borax at your local stores, Walmart, Target, and it's in the, how would you say it, like house products, where all laundry detergent and all that is. Now let's make some slime. So now we're gonna make slime. First you're gonna get your bowl. Now we're gonna get the glue, which only has 2 ingredients, which are
water and PVA.
Good. Now you're just gonna dump this in there.
Well, it makes cool sound.
Now that you dumped your glue out, you're gonna wanna get water, because you want 1 part glue, 1 part water, and pour water into your bottle of glue. Now that you have your part water, part glue, we're just gonna mix it. And also another thing, when you're mixing your glue and water, you wanna make sure that you're stirring thoroughly and mixing thoroughly, or else it's gonna come out with chunks, and you don't want that. You want your slime to be consistently smooth. Now that she's continuing to do the glue mix, I'm gonna move on to the borax solution. So what you're gonna need is 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of borax. Okay. So now that we got that, now you're just gonna mix it. Okay, so now that we got our glue
and
mixture and our borax solution, we are going to do 2 methods here. The first one we're going to do is we're going to just pour a little of the glue and water into the borax. now we're just gonna take it out.
And mix it between your hands. Wow, that's stretchy.
And now you're just going to mix it together and just with your hands. So after mixing with my hands for about 1-2 minutes, I have the first batch of slime. Feel good?
Yeah, feels good.
Now the second method is by getting the tablespoon again, and you're gonna get 1 tablespoon of borax. Just put a little more because that wasn't fully 1 tablespoon. Okay, and you're gonna mix it. Then once you're done mixing that one, you're gonna get another tablespoon of borax. And mix that in. So now I have this. So now we're just going to do like I did the first method.
Like the first batch. Like the first big stretchy batch.
And just mix it together with my hands.
And mine.
So this is from the second method, and that's from the first method. And as you can see, they have the same consistency.
Some slimes might be bouncy, they might be stretchy, and they might be bubbly to make bubbles.
Yep, and you can stretch lightly and it stretches, but then if you pull hard, it tears.
Like, look at it, look at it. See, it tears.
Bounces.
Look at mine.
So, do you think slime is a liquid or a solid?
A liquid.
Why?
Because it's made with water, and water is a liquid.
Good theory, good theory. It is liquid, you're correct. But it's a special kind of liquid.
PVA liquid.
No. Good guess. It's called non-Newtonian fluid.
I forgot.
That is what slime is. And it's fun because it adapts to different containers.
Like
So if I were to put a little bit
in the tablespoon of the slime,
it would adapt.
and
But then if I pour it out,
it'll,
it goes back to being
and just this,
a blob of slime.
yeah, and like
And it
stretches.
smooths out and stretches. But then, if I put it on something, then it will flow down. So, that is how you make slime. So, what are some things you learned today about slime?
Slime has the glues. Has water,
2 ingredients,
water and PVA in it.
which stands for polyvinyl acetate. And what is borax?
Borax is a salt.
called sodium tetraborate.
Long word.
Yes. Slime. Slime is a special kind of liquid called non-Newtonian fluid.
It's stretchy and bouncy.
But then, if you give it some tension, it rips away
Like
hard.
if you do it hard.
So, I hope you enjoyed watching us make slime and me teaching my little sister a little few facts about slime and the ingredients that are used to make slime.
And make slime.
And I hope you guys learned a little bit about slime and glue and borax. So, thanks so much for watching.
Bye!